just kayaking in the River Doon, famous river from Robert Burns' poetry. And this goes down to the sea, which is just where that bridge is behind me. I used to swim up this river from the sea and back, and when the sea transitioned into the river, it was like a transition zone, and I could see that with there'd be a lot of dead jellyfishes just at the transition zone, as if there was some sort of force field stopping them getting into the fresh water. It was obviously killing them, but some fish could do it. I could see them with my goggles. I could see fish quite happily in the salt water and in the fresh water. And transitioning for me between the two, it was like taking off an old scratchy woolly jumper. That was the sea, the salt water, putting on a silk vest when you get into this fresh water. And I'm sure there's a lot of metaphors for change management there, mostly to do with transitions, current transition and future states, transition phase being the hardest for successful change, and liminality, standing on the threshold between the two. But I guess the lessons for change management are, it's good if you can thrive in a new way of working, but the transition can be difficult. There can be a barrier like there was for the jellyfish, but to be successful we've got to get through that barrier and move to the new future state. Just reminded of me when I'm on this beautiful river. Yeah, it's brilliant.